Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Sony WH-1000XM5. So in order to do this, first make sure that your device is disconnected from all other devices, it's totally powered off and is not charging. Next, hold this power key along with noise cancelling or ambient sound key at the same time for at least 7 seconds until this LED lamp right here flashes at least a few times. So now let's just try that. Now we can let go and our device was factory restarted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.